Net belt dryer will mainly press the finished ball through the conveyor, directly transported to the flat conveyor through the upper end of the flat conveyor. Scraper will uniform the finished ball in the dryer, improve the ball permeability to achieve the drying effect. High-temperature drying furnace is made of heat-resistant steel chain conveyor and high-temperature resistant tunnel kiln. The conveyor belt adopts high-temperature resistant metal mesh belt, and the ball is output by cooling mesh belt after 25 to 30 minutes of drying on the mesh belt. Mesh belt dryer is a commonly used continuous drying equipment, can be widely used in building materials, electronics, and other industries, especially suitable for good breathable sheet, strip, granular material drying. Cake paste material can also be formed by pelleting machine or extrusion mechanism after drying.